Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Mark.
Hello. Today, we will learn three very important words.
3 words?
Yes, three small words, but they are very important.
What are the words?
The words are was, did, and had.
Oh, I see these words many times.
Yes, they are very common. Very, very common.
But sometimes I feel confused.
That is normal. Many beginners feel confused.
Good. I am not alone.
You are not alone. Today, we will go slowly, very slowly.
Thank you. I like slow.
Good. Let's start with the first word, was. Was is the past of am and is.
Past?
Yes, past means before now, yesterday, last week, last year.
Ah, before today.
Yes, before today.
So was is for the past.
Correct. Now listen carefully. Today, I say, I am happy. Yesterday, I say, I was happy.
Oh, so am changes to was.
Yes, very good.
What about is?
Good question. Today, he is tired. Yesterday, he was tired.
So is becomes was.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I was happy.
I was happy.
She was at home.
She was at home.
He was tired.
He was tired.
Very good. When do we use was? We use was to talk about past feelings, past places, past situations.
Can you give examples?
Of course. Past feeling. I was sad. Past place. I was at school. Past situation. It was cold.
Oh, weather.
Yes, good. Today, it is cold. Yesterday, it was cold.
Simple.
Yes, it is simple. Was with I, he, she, it. Now listen carefully. We say, I was, he was, she was, it was.
Always was?
Yes, with I, he, she, it, we use was.
What about you?
Good question. With you, we say were.
Ah, so not was.
Correct. But today, we focus on was. Small practice time. I will say today, you say yesterday. Ready?
Ready.
I am at work.
I was at work.
She is happy.
She was happy.
He is sick.
He was sick.
It is hot.
It was hot.
Very good. Now let's make negative sentences.
Negative means no?
Yes, not true. We add not. I was not tired.
I was not tired.
We can also say, I wasn't tired.
Wasn't?
Yes, was not equals wasn't. Repeat. I wasn't happy.
I wasn't happy.
She wasn't at home.
She wasn't at home.
Very good. Now let's make questions.
Okay.
In English, we change the order. Statement. You were happy. Question. Were you happy?
Ah, we changed position.
Yes. With was. She was tired. Was she tired?
Oh.
Repeat. Was he at school?
Was he at school?
Was it cold?
Was it cold?
Very good. Now let's move to the second word, did.
Okay, I am ready.
Did is the past of do.
Do to did.
Yes, very good. Today, I do my homework. Yesterday, I did my homework.
Ah.
Another example. Today, she does her work. Yesterday, she did her work.
So do and does become did.
Exactly. We use did for actions in the past.
Action means something we do?
Yes. Walk, eat, play, study. These are actions.
Okay.
Example. I did my homework. I did the dishes. I did my job.
So did means finished action in the past.
Yes. Now listen carefully. This is important.
I'm listening.
With did, we use the base verb,
Base verb.
the simple verb, no ed. Example. Did you walk? Not, did you walked?
Oh, no ed.
Yes, very important. Wrong, did you played? Correct, did you play?
Ah, so after did, use simple verb.
Yes, always simple verb. Repeat. Did you eat?
Did you eat?
Did she go?
Did she go?
Did he study?
Did he study?
Perfect. Now, answers. Question. Did you go? Answer. Yes, I did. Or, no, I didn't.
Didn't?
Did not equals didn't.
Ah.
Repeat. Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Now, negative sentences. We say, I did not go. I didn't go.
So again, simple verb.
Yes, always simple verb. Not, I didn't went. Correct, I didn't go.
This is important.
Very important. Now, practice time. I will say present, you say past with did. Ready?
Ready.
I do my homework.
I did my homework.
I do the work.
I did the work.
Good. Now, question. You went to school.
Did you go to school?
Very good. She played football.
Did she play football?
Excellent. Now, the third word, had.
Okay.
Had is the past of have and has.
Have to had, has to had.
Yes. Today, I have a car. Yesterday, I had a car.
Simple.
Today, she has a dog. Yesterday, she had a dog.
So both change to had.
Correct. We use had to talk about things we owned before. Owned means something was ours.
Like a phone.
Yes. I had a phone. I had a house. I had a job.
Past ownership.
Exactly. We also use had for experiences. I had a good day. I had a problem. I had fun.
Oh, yes, I hear this.
Very common. Repeat. I had a great time.
I had a great time.
She had a baby.
She had a baby.
Good. Now, negative with had. Had not equals hadn't. I hadn't time.
I hadn't time.
Better English, I didn't have time. More common.
Oh, so sometimes we use didn't have.
Yes, very common in speaking. Questions with had. Had you a car? Old style. More common, did you have a car?
Ah, we use did.
Yes. In modern English, we often use did. Did you have a job?
Did you have a job?
Perfect. Now, let's review. Yes, please. Was is for past of am and is. Example?
I was happy.
Very good. Did is past of do.
I did my homework.
Good. Now, in questions with did,
Use simple verb. Did you go?
excellent. Had is past of have and has.
I had a car.
Perfect. Today, we learned was is past of am and is, did is past of do, had is past of have and has.
I feel better now.
Good, but we are not finished.
Oh,
We will practice in part 2 with many examples and many small conversations.
I like practice.
Practice makes you strong.
Yes.
Thank you for listening. Speak slowly, practice every day.
See you next time.
See you in part 2. Bye.